till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands.
Hey guys, this is your Nitin Moto Movie. So I'm back with another video. So today in this we are at MG showroom. So I'm reviewing the MG Hector Plus. Looks same as the previous Hector which is there. This is MG Hector Plus. So I'm going to be talking about the difference between the Hector and the Hector Plus, and as well as the review. And as we come closer, we have the beautiful lights and fog lamps, and it's finished with a nice grill. This is known as anti-theft grill, as a person says here.
So anti-theft grill, we can't cut this.
Okay.
If anyone want to remove this, the complete grill should be removed.
Okay, so this is a nice feature added. MG written over here, and yes, tank capacity, and you can see it's written Morris Garage in a chrome finished, and it gets even camera which is placed near the
And with heated ornaments.
okay on the rear view mirror. So let's get inside. So we are getting inside the vehicle. So as you can see, the door is finished with nice leather, and I'm 6 feet 3 inches tall, and this fits my legs completely comfortable, and I think I should move a bit behind. And it gets a huge screen. It's like a huge tablet, and you have the gearbox. I think it's a bit tiny one. And here comes. So as you can see, we have the speedometer to the left and RPM meter towards the right. It's a bit different. Obviously, in cars like such as Porsche, it would be as the same. And we have the buttons over here. This is for the cruise control, volume buttons, and for the phone call. And we have a crazy dashboard and with a leather finish and good plastic. Let's open it. Plenty amount of space on offer and good leg room also. And seriously, I'm 6 feet 3 inches tall, and it fits me very comfortably. And here is the 360 parking camera and the rear AC button. And here we have the keys of the Hector, which is pretty good, and it gets a keyless entry obviously. And here are the controls for the headlight as well as the rear view mirror. The driver seat gets the auto function, and rest does not. It's the electric adjustable seats. Let's go to the behind seats. And before going to the behind seat, as I'm 6 feet 3 inches tall, I need to push the seat in front. Yeah, let's get to the rear seat. And as you can see, this does not get any electric adjusts. Let's open it. And in the rear seat and the driver seats gets the seat belt adjust, and even we have the passengers for the passenger seat also. And the rear we have 2 AC vents for the 2 passengers. And me being 6 feet 3 inches tall, I can fit very comfortably in this seat. And we have 2 handrests. So guys, you have seen the exterior review, and we are having the next interior review by Mr. Your name please, sir?
My name is Mitra.
Mitra, he works at the MG showroom, and thank you very much for lending me the MG. So he'll be taking on the interior. So please do join him.
So coming to the interior and the safety features, we have safety features like 6 airbags, front in the 2 and the side pillars, and for the curtain we have 6 airbags. And and another safety features like we have electronic stability program, and with the traction control program and hill hold control program, and also the braking system like ABD, anti-lock braking system, and electronic disc brake. The vehicle will be completely disc brake. And we also have a iCall button over here. The MG will provide 24/7 roadside assistance if we toggle this. And we also have a e-call button. Whenever the airbags gets deployed, we'll be getting a direct call. The call will be directly went for the concerned emergency contact person for the customer. And also we have a navigation program over in the cluster only, so we can directly see the navigation in the cluster itself. This is a navigation program.
Okay.
And coming to the comfort and convenience, we have a dual panoramic sunroof with artificial intelligence program. Just we should say, hello MG,
I'm here.
open the sunroof.
There it goes.
So that's the dual panoramic sunroof. And also we can toggle like, hello MG,
Hi, how can I help?
open the driver's window.
Okay, window on drive side is open.
Hello MG, hello MG,
I'm here.
close the driver's window.
Window on drive side is closed.
And we can also toggle the AC. Hello MG,
I'm listening.
turn off climate control.
Climate control is off.
Hello MG, hello MG,
Yes,
turn on climate control.
climate control is on.
And we can also set the AC whichever you want. Hello MG,
Hi, how can I help?
set the climate to 17 degrees Celsius.
Temperature is set to 17 degrees Celsius.
And one more feature is added like chit chat feature. We can talk with the car. Hello MG,
Yes,
how am I looking today?
seatbelt looks great on you.
So we can talk with the car. And another comfort and convenience features, we have 6-way electrified driver seat and also the 4-way electrified co-driver seat. So coming to the infotainment system, we have a 10.4-inch screen, multi-info screen, and the Gaana app will be inbuilt here with a 5G ready to convert SIM, 24/7 internet service, that too non-rechargeable. And we can play any songs. So coming to the speakers, we have 8 speakers with the subwoofer and amplifier. We have 8 speakers with subwoofer amplifier inbuilt. And also we can have a navigation program here, TomTom. So we can directly navigate by the voice command itself. Hello MG,
I'm here.
navigate to airport.
I found more than one
So these are the airports in India. So just we need to select them.
Okay, getting directions to Rajiv Gandhi International Airport.
So we can navigate directly by our voice command itself. So we can connect our phones like a normal phone, and we also have a Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and we have some files to see the MG preloaded content. So can I play in there? Oh, okay. Yes. So we can directly you can only see the videos whenever the parking brake is on. That's a safety feature. Should I do that?
Yeah. So
वाले बाबू मेरा गाना चला तो
Okay.
Yeah.
We have a 360-degree camera, has a safety feature. So we can see the front view. If we toggle this, we can have a back view, rear view, and this is a side view, and that's a left side view, and this is a satellite view. And we also have an auto hold feature in the DCT vehicle, that too dual clutch transmission vehicle, and that's the only automatic vehicle in the MG Hector Plus. So it works like a temporary handbrake, and whenever you on this, you will get a parking assistance. And we can also control the rear AC vents by in the front, so we can on and off this. And we can also have 8 colors of ambient lighting over here, and in the front and the driver side, and also in the rear. 8 colors of ambient lighting. And we can also have a tire pressure monitoring system. So it explains like the tire pressure contained in the tire, and with the temperature, and also with the temperature.
so ఇంకేమైనా ఉన్నాయి ఫ్రంట్
Front settings ఉన్నాయి bro.
అదే అందరికి ఐడియా ఉంటుందిలే.
Okay.
సో వెనక
So and one more thing.
ఓకే.
And we also have a fast charging port. This is a fast charging port, and this is a aux port, and this is a USB port, and we also have a USB port over here. And this is a sunglass holder, and we can toggle the sunroof with manually by like this. So let's guys. So this is a cruise control. This toggle for it. This toggling it for on, and this is for off. And this is for cluster changing. We can have a fatigue reading warning message, and the songs which are playing, and the phone connection, and the navigation program, and the trip and the average driven kilometers. We have 2 captain seats. The control we can control the captain seats by manually for the front and back, and also for the we can also recline the captain seats. This button is for window controlling. And coming to the rear end, we have 2 children seats, and the vehicle is especially designed for the 2 parents, and for the 2 grandparents, and for the 2 children. And we also have a rear AC vents and the controllers with the light. And it is considered in the X3. It's not connected with the front infotainment, and it's a individual one. We can see the movies, and we can also enjoy the music by this. Machine dual tone machine alloy wheel.
Yeah.
Here we come for the end of the explanation of the car. Hope you like the video, and please like it and share.